This is my ex-roomie, Micah. We are on our third or fourth outfit. This is a more casual one. Feels so refreshing. Good morning, welcome to another vlog. As you can see, I'm fully glammed up because today I'm gonna bring you guys with me on a day where we're gonna shoot content with my ex-roomie. She actually rented a studio where we can go and take pictures. But it's actually quite a far drive, so we have to be up very early and get ready, which is why, to save us time, I already did my makeup and my hair is still in this heatless wave thing. I'm gonna take it out when we get to the studio. I am actually bringing a whole suitcase, like a big one, just because I don't want to carry everything in bags. So on the left side you see 3 pairs of shoes, a makeup bag. On the right side, which I already closed up, is all the clothes that we're gonna use for the shoot. Over here I still have a lot of stuff as well. It's like hair care, all my electronics and makeup that I need to bring as well, just in case we want to switch up the look a little bit. Also, we're both gonna get a lot of content out of it. She can use it for her portfolio and I can use it for my socials, so I'm very excited for that. Yeah, so I'm basically ready with prepping. I might just go to the supermarket and get a snack or something because I don't have anything for the ride, and I woke up at like 8, and by the time that we're finished at the studio it's at least 2 p.m. So I do need to have something to eat. And I also made myself a matcha, of course, so I'm bringing that to go. So I bought these things from Muji a while ago because I want to put my jewelry in here. I also have a few in this box already, but I thought it might be nice to bring them to the shoot so that I can lay out my jewelry that I bring around in this pouch. I can bring it and then put it in here so that it's like nice and organized. I don't want to lose any of my stuff, obviously, so I want to make sure that everything is organized as I wanted to and that the chances of losing anything is like 0. I went outside looking like this to protect my hair, but also that it doesn't look too funny, but it looks very funny actually. And I wanted to go to the supermarket, but the supermarket apparently doesn't open until 10 and it's 9:40, so that's unfortunate. But I did see this in my mailbox, and it's from West Wing because I forgot that I actually ordered some samples of what the couch fabric could be like, because I was looking at a couch but I didn't know if I would like the fabric. So initially I was looking at this fabric, and this one is actually really soft. I didn't expect it to be this soft. And I also requested these two, but these ones are not nice. I can already tell it's falling apart and it just doesn't feel as nice. So in case we do want to get a couch from them, I would go for this fabric because it's nice and soft. It looks a lot like my current couch, but my current couch is not soft. My current couch is like sturdy. So with my current couch, my hair gets stuck into the couch fabric because it's so rough, and then it basically pulls out of my hair or my head. So this is also kind of a nice color. It looks very similar to my current couch, but it's just a better fabric, I guess. And this was free, like you can request it on the website for free, so that's really nice. You don't pay anything, like literally nothing. We arrived at the studio. It looks super cute. So now we're getting ready for the first look, and we're just gonna do a casual look because most of times when you shoot, the first outfit is never the best one. So you don't want to waste your good outfits on the first shoot. I already laid out everything that I brought over here, which looks super cute. So, oh my God. We're ready to get cute looks in. I brought an assortment of glasses, jewelry, of course. This is my camera gear that I'm gonna use to make extra content myself, the shoes, and then in the office we have all the clothing options that you're gonna see later on. If we go to the studio, they have the big pink infinity wall. It looks so cute. It's super cold in the studio. This is my ex-roomie, Micah. It's super cold in the studio, but that's the life of shooting, I guess. So I'm gonna take I'm gonna take my hair out and then we're gonna start doing the first look. I also gotta do my lips again because everything that I put on is gone. I had my hair in since last night after I did my full shower, so it got a good curl. We are moving on to the second outfit now. I'm wearing my very cute pink puffer jacket from my mom made it, and the white dress is also from my mom made it. So this is the whole outfit. Super cute. Super cute. Changing out the earrings. For this look, I think I'm gonna go for chunky. Blush. We are on our third or fourth outfit. I can't keep up. Very cute, very cold. A lot of accessories. Big earrings, double the bracelets. So cute. We're going through the outfits. Good content day. This is one of the last outfits. This is a more casual one with my shorts, oversized sweater. I put my hair up, diva glasses on, Uxies on. I love this outfit. This is definitely an outfit that I would wear very often. Cute, feeling cute. This was the last outfit, super comfy, my new hoodie that I got from M Studios, and it's a wrap basically. 2-hour shoot day, done! I'm very excited to see all the photos. I think we got really cute shots, and we really did a lot of outfits eventually. I think at least 6, if not 7. There's one more outfit that we didn't end up doing, but that's okay. No need to push it to the limit. Now we just need to pack everything up. We have about 10 minutes before the end of our session, so I'm just gonna pack all the things up that I have laid out here. Alles gaat ook slomer omdat mijn handen gewoon bevroren zijn. Dat is stuk. Lege prikken. It's been a really long day, but the shoot was so much fun and I'm so excited to see the photos. I haven't done this type of shoot day in a long time, so it was really fun, and it's really an easier way to get like a bunch of content to post, because you're already in a good setting. And also I really like Micah, her photography style, so it always looks good. Actually, funny thing is that we met each other for the first time, I think. Was it the first time? The first time we met each other was because we also did a shoot together, like the same thing we did today. We had like 4 or 5 outfits and we did like really nice pictures, and that's kind of how our friendship started. That shoot was so good as well. I'm going to my parents because it's my dad's birthday and they asked if we wanted to come over for dinner. I'm really tired and I still need to do a lot of things at home as well because I want to do my shop update tomorrow, but I haven't finished printing and cutting all the sticker sheets and I don't have any product photos yet, so I'm kind of behind with that, but I can do that tonight anyway. So I might as well just go to my parents and have dinner and celebrate my dad's birthday a little bit. But I didn't want to have the makeup on my face anymore. It had to go off, so I'm taking it off before I go. Feels so refreshing. Anyway, I'm going to end the vlog here. I hope you guys enjoyed this and I will see you next Sunday as always. Bye!